Welcome to XBLUE. This video will cover the download and installation of the XBLUE Geo app on Apple iOS devices. To get started, you will need an iPhone or iPad device and access to the Apple App Store to download the Geo app. Let's jump right in. Open the Apple App Store and search for XBLUE Geo. Once you have located the Geo Smartphone app, simply download it. Once the Geo app is installed, launch it from your smartphone. Once you have initially launched the app, it will prompt you to allow notifications. If you would like to be notified of incoming calls, you will want to click Allow. Now that Geo is installed, and you are at the login screen, you have successfully installed the Geo app. Thank you for joining us for this segment. Give us a call or visit our website at xblue.com.